Now, a day after the Supreme Court said it was impossible for anyone to stop the march of migrant workers, the Madras High Court has pulled up both the central government and the Tamil Nadu government over the migrant crisis. The court has held all state governments must have acted to provide them relief.
In stark contrast to the Supreme Court, the Madras High Court has called the movement of migrant workers on foot a human tragedy and pulled up both the central government and the Tamil Nadu government. The bench, comprising of Justices N. Kirubakaran and R. Hemalata, held state governments should have provided relief to migrant workers. The Madras High Court observed that it was a pity to see the migrant labourers walking for days together to reach their native places, and in the process, some of them had lost their lives due to the accidents. It is said all states should have extended their human services to those migrant labourers. The High Court also observed that toll gates should have been used as checkposts to provide food, shelter, and medical help to the workers. In the order, the court said, "It is very pathetic to note that neither the native states nor the states they were walking along took care of them and failed to provide basic amenities. One cannot control tears after seeing the pathetic condition of migrant workers. It is nothing but a human tragedy." The bench has asked the state and central governments to provide a detailed report about the data on these workers, if at all it is being maintained. The Madras High Court questioned about the number of migrant workers stranded in each state, the assistance provided to those migrant workers by the respective states and the union government, and whether those migrant workers are allowed to cross state borders or prevented from crossing the borders, and if they are prevented, whether they are provided with basic amenities such as food, shelter, and medical assistance. The court's observations comes on a day when 24 migrant workers were killed and several others were injured in an accident in Uttar Pradesh. The migrant crisis has turned into a burning issue after several workers lost their lives while walking back home. As many as 16 workers were run over by a goods train, apart from deaths and other accidents. A News 9 report.